The Waterstop gets installed after the first coat of waterproof has been installed on the floor. Once the Waterstop has been installed, the second coat of waterproofing can now be applied. As you can see here, the waterproofer is using a polyurethane Sikaflex product to stick the Waterstop in place. It's very important to have the polyurethane underneath the Waterstop and both on the inside and the outside. Waterstops are to be installed around the shower base to keep water inside the shower recess. There's also a Waterstop that needs to be installed in any doorways into the wet area.